Hey everyone, this is Sony the RV DJ, and I'm here to tell you, do not buy a Red Tiger dash cam. Crap. Garbage. NG. No good. It's gone. What we do have is the highly rated VFO A229 Pro 4K dash cam that is going to replace that piece of crap. Do not buy a Red Tiger dash cam.
To any lawyer from Red Tiger that may or may not be watching this, I am not responsible for any of the content that she has just produced. Thank you.
NG started acting up, wouldn't record, was stuck on the welcome screen, tried to update the firmware, it just made it a brick. NG. And if you want an actual model number, it's the F7N. So I just ripped the entire thing out of the truck. And we're going to replace it with this. Top reviews on Google, thousands of videos made. Nobody has any complaints. So that's our project for today.
Rah.
So let's get started. Opening the box, this is what the dash cam looks like. It supports Wi-Fi, it's got voice commands, it's dual camera for one in the front, one in the back. It does everything but drive your vehicle for you. That's that. This is the rear-facing camera. It does come with an optional camera that you can get for the inside of your vehicle, but I did not get that option, so no, I don't want. I didn't.
Send it back. Send it back.
No. So let's get started. Why don't we?
Why don't we?
Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to take the memory card out of the crappy dash cam. We're going to put it into the slot right there in the new dash cam. Not that way, it's going to go this way. You always have to check. Now it also has an app, which I can't get to at the moment on my phone. Alright, so here we have the cigarette lighter portion, which is also the front, the camera power together. And we still have to format the SD card, but that can't be done until we get power to the camera. So we're going to install this plastic shield onto the window. That's going to go right here. And this makes it so that if you ever take it out of the vehicle, you don't have to worry about having the 3M mount stuck to your windshield forever. You can just peel this off. Maybe. Oh, yep, that's it. Okay. So that's on there. And we have to plug this in and turn it on before we mount it so we can see through, make sure that the GPS can see out of the lens. So here the camera has power, so we're going to go through our menu here, pick English, and our time. What's our GMT time? +4, -4?
It's
-4.
-4, yeah.
-4. The time and date will automatically set when it receives a signal. Okay. We're using miles per hour. We're going to format the SD card now.
Memory card format successful.
Memory card formatted and successful.
Recording. 1 channel started.
So that's where we're going to mount it, is right there. Alright, so Jim is currently getting the rear camera and wiring ready for installation. We already had the truck pulled apart for a previous installation, so we still have the trim and stuff off the sill. You're putting it on the window this time?
Yep, because it'll work there instead of the other one that I couldn't twist. That twists like in 360 degrees, so it's...
So that's where he mounted the camera.
Nice. Let's see. Now, which side goes which? Connect to rear cam.
And he's just tucking it up and around and down and all the places. Does come with a trim tool, so you can pull back trim or tuck the wire into places that might be tight to do it by hand. He's going to run it down the weather stripping. His dash cam comes with Wi-Fi, voice commands. It has a G sensor in it so that if the truck is hit while it's parked, it'll record any events that happened while it was parked. What else does it have? It has a whole bunch of stuff. And it came very highly rated on pretty much every Consumer Reports type website I looked at. Plus Amazon reviews and Google reviews and videos, and so as soon as he gets done running this wire, we'll get back to you. Alright, well there it is. I probably need a faster SD card or something, I don't know. But anyway, it's installed, it works. The app works. I can't show you the app because it's on my phone. But there it is. Just some wire tucking we have to take care of. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.